costume you see before you are meticulously crafted from straws and recycled materials, often overlooked, discarded, and forgotten. Once symbols of convenience, they now stand transformed into a powerful statement of environmental awareness. Every detail in this attire tells a story of oceans burdened by waves, of ecosystems struggling to survive, and of humanity's responsibility to protect the earth we all share. Through innovative design and artistic expression, these materials have been reborn, proving that beauty does not always come from luxury, but from purpose. This creation reminds us that passion can be a force for change, and creativity can lead the way towards sustainability. As she walks with confidence and grace, she carries a message louder than words, that mindful choices today shape the world of tomorrow.